Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to clear recent activities in Windows 10. Let's start. Microsoft added a new timeline feature that tracks all your recent activities on Windows 10. To turn this option off, do the following. Go to Settings app. Click on Privacy button. Select Activity History. Windows 10 give you option to store or not to store your activity by clicking this checkbox. Press Clear button to clear recorded activities. This will clear all your activity history from all your devices. You won't be able to resume any cleared activities. Also, I am going to uncheck Store My History on this device, so my activities won't store. Great, we successfully cleared recent activities in Windows 10. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.